Introducing Tenant Hub, a case management framework with a self-service portal made specifically for housing associations. It's a standalone solution, but it easily integrates with third-party systems. Use it to bridge the gaps of your existing solution. Manage the entire end-to-end tenant journey. You'll have a single view of tenant records, real-time reporting, and your team will deliver exceptional customer service. Tenant Hub's out-of-the-box solutions include a self-service portal, an omni-channel contact centre, and solutions for case management, payments, arrears, and property management. You'll get access to share and download housing-specific applications. You'll have the power to build new applications quickly and tailor applications built by other housing associations to suit your needs. Transforming processes this way saves time and reduces process repetition. Customer experience soars, and you'll move on to improve other services without any extra costs. Tenant Hub offers the best of both worlds, applications and functionality to get you started fast, plus freedom and flexibility to build to meet your requirements. You're in control. Move to a digital system quickly and transform your tenant experience. Talk to us.